Yo, what's up guys, I'm back again with a brand new tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to get modded version of Evony the King's Return. This will basically give you unlimited gems in the game which you can use to purchase anything, and don't worry, it's completely safe. I have a bunch of options right there, such as unlimited gems, unlimited resources, free shopping and much more. The first thing you need to do is grab your iOS or Android device. I'm using Android today, as you can see. Once on your device, make sure you already have Evony installed and fully updated. If you need to check, just go to the App Store or Google Play Store. Once that's done, the next step is open your favorite browser, like me, and follow my instruction. In the search bar, type the Evony, like me, and press install. After the installation is complete, the mod will be installed on your Android or iOS device. So, thank you for watching and see you in the next video.